Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you Singularity Airdrop Testnet that can potentially make you money. Okay, how do you join? Everything I will talk about in this video. Okay, Singularity Airdrop Testnet. Okay, so first go to their website, just click the and copy the link and paste it into your browser. Okay, so simply paste it into your mobile browser, or if you use PC laptop, just paste any of your browser that has extension feature. So simply connect to wallet. Your MetaMask should have inside of your extension section. Okay, so simply click the connect to wallet, then I agree with the terms and condition. Now click the MetaMask. Okay, then log in by your password. Okay, 1234567 8, and then it is wrong slightly. Now unlock and connect with your browser. Okay, so approve it and approve your uh, RPC inside of the MetaMask. Now click the testnet section. If you noticed in here testnet, okay, simply click on there. Now what you need to do, if you forget how to join, just simply come into here. Everything is I already shared. We go to the website, done. We connected to wallet. Okay, we connected to wallet, done. Get faucet from here. Okay, simply you can copy it, or you can go into here, you can tap in the testnet section and you can go through the faucet page. So simply how you need to do, in order to get the faucet, you need to go through your MetaMask and copy your address. Now paste that address in here. Okay, I'm pasting it in here. Now simply tick the box. Now request the funds. Okay, so claim rewards 100 SPI token you will get. This is totally non-volatile token, just you can use it testnet purpose. So simply click the reward. Okay, Singularity Faucet testnet is inside of your claiming process is processing, view transaction. Okay, it will be pretty soon inside of your MetaMask. In here, okay, it is already added. If you noticed in here, it is already added and it is showing up. Okay, we get it. Now the next thing is, we say it in here, faucet done. Getting faucet is done. We almost done it. Getting faucet. Now do swap staking on. So simply you can copy from here as well for doing swapping staking, or you can go inside of here main page, go to the testnet section. So we will go swap. Okay, so simply click on the swap section. So accept the cookie. Now slightly scroll up and get the feed. So here is SP testnet and swap SPI. Now swap ROP SPI. Okay, it is swap ROP SPI. So how much I want to swap? I want to swap 50 SP. Okay, just simply swap. Your MetaMask will be pop up in here. Just simply confirm your transaction. Sometimes it will be wrong, it will be failed your transaction. Okay, it is confirmed. Okay, that's great. Your swap would be done as much as okay, swapping successful, if you noticed in here. So pretty simple, straightforward. And then we done swap. We almost done this swap. Now what we'll do staking and unstaking. Okay, so simply you can copy from here, or you can go through the website, main website, and then I'm just showing you. Just come into the testnet section. Okay, what we do is the stacking section. We'll go through and then simply click on the explore. Okay, now again go click the stack section. Now your 50 SP that you swapped WSPI, robbed SPI, you can stack in here. Let's say you want to do 20. Okay, just simply put in here 20 WSPI and 90-day period. Just approve it. Your MetaMask will be pop up again for you. Just I'm showing you demonstrated purpose. So simply confirm it, and then it will be confirmed, and in here deposit option will be pop up for you. Okay, confirmation done. Now MetaMask is get notify again. So simply it will be deposit section. So simply click on the again deposit. MetaMask will be pop up again. Now it's time to doing the work so much efficiently. Okay, so it is loading. Failed transaction would be so much, so you can just do it like 5 SPI if it is failed. Okay, if it is failed transactions over again. So I put 5. Now let me try it again because of it does problem. Okay, it take a lot of time while you put a big amount in here. So therefore, okay, confirm transaction, it's done. Now it is stacking, it's done. I stacked successfully. Okay, so deposit successful. Now this page would be slightly changed if you refresh this page. I'm refreshing this page now. If you noticed, okay, so this page is slightly changed. Now coming to here again, so we swap, now we stack. Okay, we swap, we stack. Now you need to unstack. Okay, so how do you do? No problem, I'm going to share with you. Just simply click the withdraw. Simply your stack token is 5 wSFI. Now I want to do I want to do withdraw to locked SPI. So simply click the withdraw, and then MetaMask will pop up. Simply confirm it, and here is they will be update you about what is happening. Okay, confirm transactions, it will be pretty soon on withdraw. Okay, unstack, and that will say it. Okay, withdraw successful. So now we've done almost everything. Unstack done. Now we'll go bridging. You can copy it or you can go through again the website. Okay, go through manually. Just go through Testnet and found out the bridge. So here is bridge. Simply click on the bridge section. Now it will be opened up for you. Just wait a minute. Now you need to connect here everything again. So what they said, you need to bridge Singularity to Sopila. So first we need to connect, and then I'm showing you how do you do it. Just copy me. Okay, simply connect your wallet in here. Okay, we connected. Now click the withdraw section in here. Now your 50 okay SPI, it is being showing up in here. Now what do you do? Let's say we want to do 20. Okay, so withdraw the fund. Say I understand, withdraw funds, use MetaMask. Okay, so confirm your transaction, and it will take a while, then you will be get done. Pretty simple, straightforward, nothing complicated. Okay, withdraw initiated, withdraw initiated. So everything is done. And if you want to check your point now, inside of here, your point would be show up in here. Now it is 0. If I do refresh, it will be show up incredibly well. Okay, it will take a slightly time, but you can check every day this section. This section will give you more tasks, like dex is coming. Okay, there's a lot of stuff is coming, and point will be added to your, like, after a while probably. Okay, so don't worry about it. You stacked, you did everything. Just check out the post. What you done? So we've done almost everything. Now it's time to do Zealy task. Okay, so you need to do Zealy task. So how do you do it? Just copy it. If you want to just copy from here, or you can go through in here. I'm showing you testnet. So this is the start. So if you don't found the Zealy task, just simply copy it from our Telegram. Just copy this link and paste it into your I'm showing you, paste it into your browser, and then it will be opened up for you. Just join Singularity. So simply click the accept wall, connect Zealy, Okay, login, click the login button and login with wallet. I would do always recommend you to do, because no need any extra information, password type of stuff. Therefore it is directly log you inside of the account. Now follow us on Twitter. Okay, so first you need to connect your Twitter in order to done Twitter task. If you want to done Discord task, you need to connect your Discord first in order to authorize, in order to check your account. Okay, pretty simple. We me be connected, so just wait a minute. So it is connected. Now go to the follow and do the actual task that it takes to done, and we do the follow. Pretty simple and straightforward task, everybody can do it. Okay, so simply here is claim option, simply click the claim and there will be congratulations to you. Your account is not linked to your Twitter profile. Okay, so I'm just refresh this page, something went happening. Okay, it's congratulated me. Okay, join Telegram. Which Telegram you connected, join Telegram and there will be congratulation to you. So me this on. Okay, I will come into here and I will click the view in Telegram, go to Telegram and join in here, join in this Telegram channel. Now we will back in the Zealy task and simply click the connect claim option. Okay, there will be again congratulated to you. Now it's time to spread the word inside of the Telegram, inside of the Twitter. Simply click the retweet. Okay, it will bring you in here. What do we do? Simply click the repost, like. Now we'll be back in Zealy task. So here what do we do? Simply claim my reward that I done. So go back, you can spare this stuff. Okay, you can invite people in here and that's it. So now if I go through this point section, it's showing still 0. If I do the refresh, it will be show up couple of point that you would be emerging. So how much point you earn, just if you want to see, you will be see in here everything like 1000, 2000, 2000, 1000 for doing this type of task and doing this task. Okay, completed everything. So pretty simple, straightforward. If you feel again exhausted about this task, please feel free to comment. You don't understand anything, I will be help you a lot. Okay, so if you don't join in our Telegram channel, this is our Telegram channel from actors all around the people is join inside of this Telegram from different country. You can be part of us. They are all of us from different country. Okay, I don't know who is they are from. You can join as well too in here. We do share every day. Okay, so that's it. Now it's time to wait for the airdrop. Okay, so if this video slightly help you, please do consider to subscribe and please encourage me to do creating more video about airdrop testnet, and I'll be glad to you if you do it. Okay.